about the BTP. So first of all, what is BTP? The history about the BTP. So what is RISE? Normally, nowadays we are hearing about the RISE migrations, RISE with SAP, right? So, and also the trainings related information we are going to discuss in the today's agenda. Okay. So first of all, everybody know, maybe you may search in the Google or somewhere, what is BTP, right? It's a technology platform. It's a business technology platform. Business technology platform is a SAP cloud-based innovation and integration platform. It's a cloud-based platform as a service-based concept. Cloud-based platform as a service-based concept here, right? So in Jan 2021, SAP introduced a powerful unique solution is called the BTP. It's a technical foundation of entire SAP ecosystems. Nowadays, it's playing a very crucial role for the all the SAP customers and partners here, right? Sir, you mentioned like 2021 SAP introduced a new powerful solution is called the BTP. So, which means some other blocks, some other area, someone told that it's a rebranded product, right? Yes, it's a rebranded product from SAP. Rebranded means what is the exact, the earlier brand of the SAP here, right? So normally, if I talk about the history of the SAP, if I talk about the history of the SAP here, right? So in 2012, actually 2012, the history of the BTP, how they have rebranded their cloud platform product to the BTP, then why they have rebranded. I will give you the some background here. In 2012, SAP entered the PaaS market with the that way. That time they have the product is called the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. With that code name is called the Neo. In the short, it's called the NetWeaver on demand, right? So then after that, then 2013, after that, the 2013 here, they have renamed to the SAP Cloud Platform here, SAP Cloud Platform here, right? SAP NetWeaver Cloud to SAP Cloud to, they have renamed to the SAP HANA Cloud Platform here, SAP HANA Cloud Platform here. They have rebranded their product here. Then after that, so they have introduced the in the HCP. Normally, we will the short name is called the HCP HANA Cloud Platform here, right? So here, so then slowly, slowly they have dropped in 2017. They have dropped this HANA word from the HCP. They have introduced their new name is called the SAP Cloud Platform here. Maybe few of members are aware of that SCP, right? This market. So SAP Cloud Platform. So far, it is a PaaS offering by SAP to create the new applications and extending the existing SAP applications in the secure cloud environment here, right? So then slowly they have executed, but in 2021, SAP officially retired their support of this cloud platform, and they have introduced a new brand that is called the BTP, Business Technology Platform here. This provides the extended functionality and services, tools, and some of the innovation packages are available in the BTP. So to better reflect their name in the market, they have rebranded their SAP Cloud Platform to the BTP here. So BTP is not like one-to-one replacement of the cloud platform here. The core is same, but they have introduced the more features, more services, so more applications they have introduced in the BTP platform. So it's like a to better reflect their name in the market. to serve to the more customers, to reflect the more their products and everything. They have rebranded there. So the new name is called the, so they have rebranded their new name is called the BTP. Just not about the cloud services, just it's about the all variety of the tools, services, business process, integration functionalities, applications, digital solutions like mobile apps, data analytics, AI related services. The more they are providing, that's why they have introduced the new name is called the BTP here, right? So BTP here, right? It's a provides the tools, services, environments to build the SAP, to build the applications, either SAP or non-SAP, to extend the applications, to integrate the applications in the secure and scalable cloud environment. That's why they have introduced the new platform is called the platform as a layer is called the, so platform as a layer is called the BTP. BTP is like a PaaS-based concept here. Normally in the cloud terminologies, maybe you may heard about the terminologies like, so IaaS, infrastructure as a concept, the PaaS as a concept, software as a concept here, right? So PaaS, SaaS, and so then IaaS here, right? So here we know the differences here. Here we will get the infrastructure remaining SAP and the maintenance, everything is our part here. Platform, it's a BTP is a platform service here. Ready-made solutions are available. You can just pick the service, you can use it here. Software as a service here. So here data is yours, remaining everything software also you are taking the rent, remaining part also only data part is yours here. Simple terms, the BTP is like a like integration. BTP is like a integration, right? Why? Because in the BTP we have the integration related tools, then data related tools and AI related tools, then extensibility, right? Plus, and we have the analytics related tools are will help here. So this will helps to integrate the systems like SAP and non-SAP, or extending the existing applications like our S4HANA success factors, and it will help to build the new cloud applications in the BTP, and also it will help to analyze and innovate with the AI, some analytics related things we can innovate it here. They are the BTP, they are the previously four main pillars here, but recently SAP introduced the fifth main pillar is called the, so AI analytics here. So what are the main components of the BTP here? What are the main five key pillars? So in the BTP here, right? One is the DB and database management. Database related things they are providing. They are providing the databases also, Sybase and Datasphere, HANA Cloud. This kind of services they are providing in the database management service here. The second one is called the integration related pillar. Here we can connect to the SAP, non-SAP system securely. They are providing the integration suite, APIs, management related things they are providing here. The third pillar is called the application development. Application development related. So application development and automation kind of can extend the existing applications to the BTP with low code, no code environment. We can build apps, BAS, CAP, RAP, Node.js, that kind of development functionalities are available here. The fourth one we will call it as the analytics here, which means we can analyze the large data sets to get into the real-time insights and everything, which means SAC is the one of the good example here, right? SAP Analytics Cloud. And also they are introduced the AI related things also they have introduced as a fifth main pillar here. Earlier we have only this one, but this year they have introduced the AI ML related services. So this will enable the intelligence feature in the your applications. Here they have provided the AI core, AI launchpad, and some other AI related services they have introduced in the this one. So total we have the five main pillars in the BTP here. Five main pillars in the BTP here, so that this will help us to build the new applications or extending the existing SAP landscape to the cloud based. So this will help us to the customers or who will get benefit because of the BTP services and tools. Right? The existing organization, which means there is an existing SAP customer. They wants to build a new cloud solutions or mobile solution. In that case, they need to integrate the multiple systems and multiple business process. They want to automate it. In this case, the existing customers, it will help. Also, the new customers, also it will help us, so that in both the scenarios, existing customers and new customers. So in both the scenarios, an organization wants to build a cloud solution with minimum effort, low cost, and faster time to market. They don't want to prefer to spend the money, timings, and landscape setup, installation, configuration, and maintenance activities here. Right? So in both the scenarios, the customer wants to build the solution with the minimum efforts. Right? So both the customer wants to build the solutions with minimum effort, new customer or existing customers. So here, whatever these customers are required. So in a BTP shop, they are providing everything here. That's why in a BTP is like a one-stop shop for all your need. All your need, whatever you need, BTP is provide the one-stop shop for all your need here. Why? Because the new customer, they need to build the new cloud solution. In that case, they need to integrate the multiple systems and they need to automate the business process, analytics, machine learning, and everything. The existing customer also, they want to extend their SAP solutions to the cloud. In that case, both the customers related services, tools, applications, everything in the BTP shop, it is available here. Right? It's an offering from the SAP which will fulfill the all this requirement. Whatever the customer is required, it will fulfill the all the requirement here. So in another thing, we can say like BTP is a portfolio of the SAP solutions and services that all are brought under one umbrella. These services and solutions helps organizations to build a new cloud solutions or extend their SAP systems here. So it's like a bundle of many services, many tools, many applications. They are purely for the building the new applications for the cloud centric customers, mainly for the cloud. The cloud, it is available everything in the cloud. You no need to install any single piece of software on your premises. Just subscribe the all the related services and we can focus on the business logic and everything here. Right? So that is the main thing of the BTP here. How the BTP works actually. So how the BTP works here, right? So SAP, as part of this BTP, to get the BTP and everything, you have to have, there is a subscribing model, there is a pricing model. So you will get the global account, that is the top level entity from the BTP. In the BTP cockpit, there is a web-based interface. In that you will get the BTP global account, you will get it out. Under the global account, you need to create the sub account. Then you need to enable the environments concept. There is a connectivity, and also then everything we can access from the BTP cockpit here. There is a web-based interface which we can use to monitor the all the BTP related everything here. Right? So the common use cases, if I talk about where we use the BTP here, the common use cases here, integration. Suppose you want to connect your S4HANA system with the Salesforce or SuccessFactors, that time you need to do the integrations work, right? So extension, you want to build the some Fiori app with the some purchase order, some customization required, that time you use the this way. Automation, you want to automate the workflows using business process automation. There is a service in the BTP, business process automation. So you want to data and analytics, you want to combine the data from the multiple sources, in this case data sphere, and the visualize in the SAC, you can use it here, right? You want to perform the predictive insights to the SAP apps, you can use the AI related services here, right? So the event handling, the sensor data and everything, they are the key benefits. If I talk about they are the more benefits for here, but everything you need to access through BTP cockpit only here. Why? Because it's a unified platform so that we can integrate the data, services, everything we can do it here. It's a works with the SAP, non-SAP, on-prem, and so multi-cloud also here, right? So which means any service, SAP, non-SAP, either you are in the separate customer, separate cloud environment, private cloud, you are in the on-premises, you can use the BTP services, you can use it, you can connectivity, and you can use as like a, so it's kind of a platform here. And also it's a faster innovation, which means quickly you can subscribe the service, pick up the service, you can start deploying the action. So the main intention of the BTP is why SAP released into the market. The customers are the IT team, they can directly focus on the business logic instead of they work on the hardware procurement, installations, configuration, this kind of setup. They don't want to set up, they will take longer time, right? So that's the reason they will use the BTP related services here, right? So with minimum effort, they will use the BTP related ready-made platform. So since kind of a ready-made kitchen, it's a ready-made kitchen here, right? So directly, so ready-made kitchen. So directly kitchen is ready, everything is ready. Just you can go ahead and cook the foods and everything. That's it, right? It's a ready-made platform is available. So that is the one thing here. So if you want to build the something, so you need to build from the scratch and everything. Instead of that, directly can go ahead in kitchen and pick up the service and you can use it here. It's a directly BTP helping you to focus on the business. Rest of the things, everything, the SAP will take care of that fast and everything here. That is the main thing here. Infrastructures and all those things, SAP will take care of that part and everything here. Right? They are the five main pillars. All the services and solutions they have so categorized into the five main pillars in the BTP here. Right? So that is the main important thing here. So they are the coming to the BTP architecture side. They have the layers here, foundation layer. So that we are going to discuss services, application, security. So there are the multiple layers are there. So we are going to discuss about some of the BTP related common use cases, common services we are going to use it here, right? So suppose like if I talk about the one good example about where the BTP people are using here, suppose one of the existing company, they are using the S4 on-premises system they are using, and they want to use the mobile approval app, purchase order, some of the approval applications they want to use it here. In that case, that company will use the cloud connector to connect to the on-premises system. They will use the build up apps with low code to design the mobile approval app, and also they will apply in the BTP level. They will authenticate the users via IIS so that it will be helpful for them here. Sir, you mentioned like BTP, that is fine. So, but what about the RISE with SAP concept? What is the difference here? Right? So there is a BTP also there. There is a RISE with SAP concepts also there here. What is mean by exactly RISE with SAP? So BTP is like a technology layer, technology platform layer that is used for the in extension, integration, and innovation purpose. We will use the BTP related services and tools. What about the RISE with SAP here? Right? So somewhere we are hearing the RISE with SAP also. What is the relation between the RISE with SAP and the BTP here? So RISE with SAP is like a It's kind of a transformation package. This is kind of a business transformation package, which includes S/4HANA Cloud as well as the BTP related licenses. Also, you will get it out in the Rise with SAP here. So, Rise with SAP, you will get the all those things here. Sir, can you give the some more information about the what is meant by Rise with SAP? Means Rise with SAP is like a business transformation as a service offering package. In that package, you have the multiple services SAP included here. One is the S/4HANA Cloud. S/4HANA Cloud. You can migrate your ECC systems to the S/4HANA Cloud, either public or private. The second one is called the infrastructure they are providing. Infrastructure they are providing. Second one is the BPI business process intelligence they are providing in the Rise with SAP comprehensive package. You are getting the all these services, and also you are getting the BTP related BTP related credits also you are getting here. And also, and one more thing is in the Rise with SAP, you will get the tools for the migration. They are the tools you will get it out for the migration, analytics and AI related. Then, and also in the one service, you will get the managed services by SAP. Managed the services by SAP here. These are all those things you will get in the Rise with SAP package here. In one package, it's a comprehensive package that includes all this like S/4HANA Cloud infrastructure and business process intelligence, right? Business process platform and tools and managed services here, right? So they have come with the one concept in the market that is called the one license, one contract that is managed by SAP here. One license, one contract that they will manage everything in under the one license, one contract here. So you can use the full-fledged services of the SAP here. The purpose of the Rise with SAP is, suppose customer wants to move their on-premises like ECC to S/4HANA Cloud, it will simplify the migration from the ECC to S/4HANA Cloud here. Suppose the customer wants to redesign their business process using the AI analytics cloud and also some of the best practices, they can use the business transformation package. They can use it here, right? So single contract you can form from the software, right? And infrastructure and services. One contract, you will get the all the features here. And also you can leverage the BTP for integration. Why? Because part of the Rise with SAP, you will get the BTP license also, you will get it out. So that you no need to take the separate license, then you can use the integration extension related functionality. In simple terms, BTP is like a S/4HANA Cloud plus BTP plus Rise with SAP is like a S/4HANA Cloud BTP infrastructure tool and services. All this you will merge it. Then that is called the Rise with SAP here. It's a we can migrate your ERP system to the S/4HANA. You can run it in the securely in the SAP or hyperscaler cloud, either SAP cloud or hyperscaler cloud. You can run securely. You can innovate using the BTP. They work together. It's part of the Rise with SAP only. BTP is part of the Rise with SAP only. They have the key core components like S/4HANA cloud, as I mentioned, right? This is the digital core ERP systems, right? And business process related infrastructures, right? And also business process, right? Like tools like they have the Signovio for analyzing and optimizing the business process and everything here. BTP, right? You have the tools, services, analytics, many things are available here. Infrastructure, you can run in the SAP or AWS or Azure or GCP or many other third-party cloud infrastructure state. You can run it here. And also you have the business networker pack like Ariba, right? So they have the logistic networks and they have the embedded tools like migration cockpit, ALM, readiness tech report. They have the many things they have included. These all are the components in the Rise with SAP here. They have components in the Rise with SAP here. right? So you have the deployment options like either S4 and a public cloud edition or private cloud edition here. So public cloud means here it's a fully managed by SAP, but it's a multi-tenant cloud ERP. But in the private cloud means only single tenant. You can more control. You have the more customization, more control in the private edition. But if you go to the public edition, you have the less customization. Everything is managing by SAP here. So it's a core technology for the RISE actually. BTP is like a core technology platform for the RISE. It provides the innovation integration. Suppose like even though your ERP system is migrated to the S4 and a cloud, still you need to use the BTP related some innovation tools and functionalities. You have to use it here, right? Why? Because BTP providing the lot of, it will empowers the RISE actually, right? You have to use the everything here, right? So that is the relationship between the RISE and BTP here, right? So that is the main important thing here, right? So BTP, even though you are in the cloud, as I mentioned, right, infrastructure and BTP cloud, still BTP used for the integrate the your S4HANA cloud with the success factor. Suppose you want to build some build application, you want to integrate the integration suite, you want to use the analytics cloud. Even though you are in the RISE with SAP, definitely you should use you have to use the BTP related services also. You have to use it here. So they have to work together. They are together. You can do the faster cloud transformations and everything here, right? That is the main important thing here. Okay, so at the set with that said, so what we are going to discuss in our regular classes here, right? Our classes like, so introduction, I can give more information on our regular classes, exactly what is RISE with SAP and how to do the migrations in the like so the Cloud Foundry to Neo, this kind of Neo to Cloud Foundry, and what are the services, main services we are going to discuss. First of all, we are going to discuss about the some basics like, so what is BTP cockpit, licensing model, BTP related sub accounts, global accounts, how many sub accounts, what is the directories concept, what are the BTP services, where can I see, what is the licensing model, how to assign to the services to our sub accounts, right? So these things, and also we are going to discuss about the BTP related, so cloud ALM, HANA cloud, ABAP cloud, IAS topics, security related IAS, IPS topics here, and also the build work zone, BAS related applications, cloud connectors, cloud connector HA part. So they are the some other important related things, BTP related things we are going to discuss in our regular classes here. So as part of the training, you will get the recorded video. Each and every session will be recorded. That record will be shared you after the class to the email ID. So registered email ID. Then you will get the documentation drive link, and also you will get the server access to the practice, the BTP applications and everything. This is about it will be covered in the training here. So session duration daily 1 hour. Then, so we will, that session will be recorded, it will be shared after for your reference. And also the total duration, so 25 to 30 days. So maximum we can complete all the BTP related things.